All right, let's jump right into it. We're going to talk about one of the biggest roadblocks for anyone with a great idea. You know the feeling. You have this incredible concept, but there's this giant, intimidating wall standing in your way. And that wall? It's code.
I mean, have you been there? You've got a brilliant idea, but you just can't code. It's a special kind of frustration, right? It's probably stopped countless amazing projects dead in their tracks. You can see the whole solution in your head, but actually building it feels impossible.
And trust me, you are not alone in this. This is the classic creator's dilemma. For years, the choice has been pretty brutal. Either spend ages learning to code yourself, or go on that near impossible quest to find a technical co-founder who believes in your vision.
But what if that's all changing? What if a brand new kind of partner just showed up on the scene? One that's always on, knows every single programming language, and is just waiting to turn your ideas into actual working code.
Well, that's the exact thought one product manager had. They had very little coding experience, and they decided to put this whole idea to the ultimate test with a really bold, hands-on experiment. And this wasn't just a casual weekend project. In their own words, it was a dedicated experiment to see if a product person, someone who doesn't really write code, could rely completely on AI for all the technical heavy lifting. So the rules for this challenge were super clear and really strict. The mission was to build a real working product from absolute zero to version 1. But here was the catch. The non-coder would use only AI for every single technical task. No calling a developer friend, no coding boot camps, just one person and their AI partner. And this comparison just lays it all out perfectly. Look at the traditional path. That learn to code step is a massive detour, right? It can take years. But the AI-powered path, it just skips it. Your new skill isn't learning Python or JavaScript, it's learning how to ask the AI for what you want. You get to be the architect, and the AI becomes your 24/7 construction crew. And again, this wasn't just some what-if scenario. The entire process, from start to finish, was documented. It's basically a real-world case study. We get to see the wins, the roadblocks, and what it's really like to build a product with an AI co-founder. So what was the actual game plan? Well, it was incredibly methodical. First, they started by identifying a genuine pain point for users. And what's really fascinating here is how they used AI from the very beginning, not just for the coding part, but for brainstorming and even helping define the product itself. Only then did they turn the AI loose to do the actual work. Now, the goal here wasn't some simple little website. No, they aimed for something tangible and technically specific, a complete, fully functioning Chrome browser extension built entirely from scratch. I mean, that's a perfect test. It requires knowing JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and all the specific APIs that make extensions work. And all of this brings us right back to the central, most important question. Is this experiment the proof we've been waiting for? Is that massive barrier to creating things finally starting to crumble? Can AI really empower all the people out there who have amazing ideas but just lack the traditional technical skills to make them happen? And maybe the most mind-blowing question of all is this. Are we moving past seeing AI as just a tool and into an era where it's a genuine creative partner? A technical co-founder that can help bring almost any vision to life? Seriously, just think about what that future is going to look like.